Hello, friends. I'm Dr. Pankaj Jagya, and today we are going to talk about future ready engineering education. Before we begin today's discussion, let me briefly introduce our distinguished guest. Today we have with us Dr. Prakash Sulakhe. Dr. Sulakhe, welcome to the Future Ready Engineering Education podcast.
Thank you. I'm happy to be here.
Dr. Prakash Sulakhe is an educator, researcher, author, and entrepreneur working in the field of engineering education and skill development. He is the founder of Cadmech Engineering Private Limited, an organization dedicated to manufacturing and developing advanced CNC and mechatronics laboratory setups as well, training solutions, and smart learning platforms for engineering institutes. Over the past 2 decades, he has worked closely with engineering colleges, polytechnics, and technical institutions to strengthen practical learning and industry readiness among students. Dr. Sulakhe is also the author of books focused on engineering education and smart laboratories. And his work has been recognized through several awards and industry recognitions. Through this podcast series, he shares valuable insights on transforming engineering education and building truly future-ready engineers.